Hey there, physics class. We're going to do another problem. This is from, I believe it's example or homework questions 2, whatever you want to call it. This is 2.20. It's about the jet fighter pilot. It's called Blackout. And it says a jet fighter pilot wishes to accelerate from rest at a constant acceleration of 5 Gs to reach Mach 3. That's 3 times the speed of sound. As quickly as possible. Experimental tests reveal that he will black out if his acceleration lasts for more than 5 seconds. Use 331 meters a second for the speed of sound. And for part A, it says, will the period of acceleration last long enough to cause him to black out? And what is the greatest speed he can reach with an acceleration of 5g before he blacks out? So he's trying to reach Mach 3, so it's 3 times the speed of sound. So first thing we're going to want to do is calculate that. 3 times the speed of sound is 993 meters per second. We have our acceleration is 5g. We have our max time before he blacks out is 5 seconds. And the speed of sound, well, we already went over that. So we've actually converted 5 Gs. I don't work with Gs very often, but we see meters all the time. So we converted 5 Gs into a meter measurement, so it's 49 meters a second. If we're to take this now, we're supposed to find out if he's going to reach his speed of 993 meters a second before he blacks out. He's only got 5 seconds. So we're going to take this equation here. We're going to find the volume or the velocity. Velocity is the velocity at time 0. So it's the initial velocity plus the acceleration times time. So we know that our velocity in the end needs to be 993 meters a second. Our velocity in the beginning, it already said in the beginning of this that the jet fighter pilot, here we go. Where did it say that? Anyway, it says that he basically was at rest. Yeah, there it is, to accelerate from rest. Okay, so so v at 0, velocity at time 0 is 0. He's starting at rest. So we're going to add 49 meters a second times the time. We're trying to find time at this point. So just dividing that over, we have 993 divided by 49 equals our time, and that is 20.27 seconds. That's much greater than 5. This guy's going to pass out. He's not going to make it to 993 without passing out, if he's going at 5 Gs, basically. So, for, I guess for part A, if we're to write that down, let me quickly just grab a marker. The answer is yes. He will black out. He will black out. So for part B, now we're supposed to find what is the greatest time he has before he blacks out. We can use this equation again. So we're trying to find v this time, but we plug in v at time 0, velocity at time 0, which is 0, plus 49 times 5 seconds. We know he's only got 5 seconds. So if we plug that in, 49 times 5, that's 245 meters a second. So that's the highest he can get before he blacks out. So 245. Oh geez, try and write while you're holding the camera in your hand. Meters a second. So there you go. Those should be the answers. Thank you very much.